Let's see how these custom-made brake calipers fit my RAV4. In the box you will find the instruction manual, aluminum brake calipers. You can order them with the logo or without the logo, and they are tested for all kind of harsh environment like salt and vibrations and dropping, so they can sustain all of that. And you can see they are very easy to install because they are custom made for your car. You can order for any car. So let's see how they will fit my car. Now, because these are custom made, I will show you how easy you can install them. Just make sure this part goes at the top and this one at the bottom, and you will see how easy it is to put them. So make sure they go all the way till the end, just like this, and this is aligned in the middle. So that's it, it's simply done. Just we need to secure it now at the top part here, and I will show you that, and the bottom one as well. So this part here goes just to secure it so it will not fall down from the vibrations, and again it is simple as just aligning it like this and tightening the screw, and that's it. The low part is a bit more tricky because of this protection, so you need to put it first there and put it below the protection. You can see it's also done and it's very firm and it is looking amazing. Now let's put this black wheel and see how it looks. And you can see now it gave a bit of color to this vehicle. So you can order red one to fit with your tail lights, or the blue one to fit with your hybrid logo on your car. This is before and this is after. Way better, especially on these black rims. Now the only thing you need to consider is where ordering this, your rim needs to be higher. If you don't have any gap here from the old brakes, then you cannot install this. So my rims are 18 inches. These are the stock on my hybrid version, VXR. But usually on RAV4 they come in 17 inches. So you need to make sure to check. If you have this gap, then you can go ahead and order for your car. Front one is even easier because it has only one. Put it like this, and then the front only you need to tighten. So it's simple as that. So I will show you now. And you can see. And then I will just tighten it here like this. Now you can see it's very firm on the bottom and on the upper part. Visually check that nothing is touching. Here is the front one. Beautiful. That will be all for this video. Let me know what do you think about these brake calipers, and would you install it on your car, and check out the link in the description of this video if you like it. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.